Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Production costs can be tricky, but we will find the average fixed cost for 200 units using a simple 3-step method right now. To find the average fixed cost, we first need the total fixed cost. We can calculate this by looking at the 50 unit level where the average fixed cost is 20. Multiplying 50 units by $20 gives us a total fixed cost of $1,000. This total amount stays exactly the same no matter how many units the firm actually produces. Divide the $1,000 total by the new production level of 200 units. This calculation results in exactly $5. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Trust the given data and check your steps for option B.